All right, so this is day two, right? Day two of the 222 challenge by the Mukbang Bulls. Again, if you don't know who they are, it's real simple. The Bulls, Big Mack, ULOVE Chani, LLIPS, right? And Sam's World. Okay? And of course, you know, if you saw my previous video, you know I was challenged by BigBelly Bob. So I'm going to do this. You know, I'm not a big eater, but I wanted to show support to the Mukbang Bulls, right? Because if you watched my previous video, you know if it wasn't for LLIPS, I actually wouldn't be putting videos up today with my recipes. So again, I want to thank him for that. So sit back and let's see how I do on this. Even though this is going to be delicious, you know, my appetite's not there. I can't eat like the big dogs, but I'm going to enjoy this food either way. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Oh, you're still here again? Oh, you want to see me eat this? Okay, so what we're gonna do. Now we have the 2 pounds of meat here, you know, for the 222 challenge by the Mukbang Bulls. As you saw from my previous video, I did challenge Kareem Shelton and Coco Empire. Okay, I was of course challenged by BigBelly Bob. So we're gonna get into this. These are delicious. I like it with the sauce. Some of the bread. This paratha bread is real flaky. So it reminds me a lot of like pastry dough. So if you ever make some, keep that in mind. The flavors, amazing. What? But it's just a whole lot of. This mint and yogurt sauce, incredible. And if I would have been thinking, I would have cut up some lemon wedges, you know, get some extra flavor on here. Even though this already has a lot of flavor, but lemon would have kicked it up just a little bit. This is good. You know how crunchy, flaky that is? Now, the difference between, you know, the paratha bread, you know, and the naan bread. I mean, obviously, the paratha bread is more flaky. It's almost like a phyllo dough kind of deal. Even though I baked it, traditionally it's pan fried. Where naan bread is put into some type of tandoori cooker, right? And also, see how flaky that is? Also, if you go by way of region, you know, Turkey, Israel, Pakistan, around them, you'll find a wide variety of paratha bread, right? But if you go India and more of the other, like your Indonesia and so forth like that, you'll find naan bread. Now, a standout exception is Myanmar. Now, Myanmar, you'll find a wide selection of both, so you can take your pick. You know, which is, you know, crazy to me, because when I was first introduced to this type of cuisine, I was actually overseas in Bahrain, right? I was eating everything. I was tasting everything, trying to learn different things. I was like a sponge, sucking it all up. Now, if you want to see how I made this, or how I made the items from my previous video, give me a couple days. It'll be on my channel, right? Again, I'm not a big eater. So I hope I don't bore you guys, you know, in that regard. I just want to show support to both BigBelly Bob and the Mukbang Bulls. Oh. Now, over the course of a few hours, I can eat this, yeah, sure. But in one sit down, nope. So, if you don't know LLIPS or the Mukbang Bulls, look at my description. The links will be there. Also, the links will be there for BigBelly Bob and Miss Shan as well. Get to know everybody. Get to know them all. This stuff is good. I wish I could have mixed up different meats. No. But the way the challenge goes, one type of ground meat, 2 pounds of it, per meal, right? Over the course of 2 days, make it 2 different ways, right? That's it. 2, 2, 2. 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 ways, 2 days. Or not ground beef, but ground meat. 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 ways, 2 days. Yeah, there you go. Mm-hmm. So this is gonna be real short. So I'm not a big eater. But again, I'm doing this just to show support, right? Nothing more, nothing less. Show support and just my way of saying thank you. For the inspiration, that got me going on my current path. So LLIPS production, Little Lips, thank you. Continue to live life in positive serenity. BigBelly Bob and Shan, again, thank you as well. This is Shrashira. If you like this, now I had some stories I was going to tell, but the peanut gallery, they're looking at me like I'm crazy, so I won't be doing that this time, maybe the next time. So that being said, this Shrashira, enjoy yourself. Keep all the negativity away, right? Be yourself. Nobody can be you better than you. There's only one you. I'm out. Enjoy yourself.